In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Game Chat on your Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna cover how you can easily use voice chat to talk with your friends or strangers when playing online on your Nintendo Switch. Now, for most games, this is a process that you must do through the latest version of the Nintendo Switch app. So if you download the Nintendo Switch online application, you will be able to do voice chat online over most games. However, some games, for example, Fortnite, will have this feature automatically included, so you don't even need the app, as long as you have a microphone connected to your Nintendo Switch through a gaming headset, for example, you will be able to join a lobby and start talking automatically natively. Now, if you are playing a game that doesn't have this feature from the get-go, for example, Mario Kart, all that you have to do, like I said, is download the latest version of their app and sign into the same Nintendo account that you are using for online. This is very important. Inside of the app, you are going to find the option to use voice chat from the home screen, as I've highlighted here. You can also tap Learn how to use voice chat if you want to acquire more information. But all that you have to do is join a lobby of any game that has voice chat included, like I said, for example, Mario Kart 8, and as soon as you join using the same Nintendo account, there will be a prompt here like so, telling you if you want to start voice chat. If you tap start, you will be loaded into a voice chat channel and all the other players who connected as well will be able to talk and hear you. It is extremely straightforward, and if you encounter any problems, I recommend double checking the Nintendo account that you are using and also going into the settings and selecting voice chat to configure it as necessary. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Game Chat on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.